Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can fix potential connection issues that you have with either Bluetooth headphones or Bluetooth speakers that are hooked up to your Roku TV. I just ran into some issues with my Bluetooth soundbar. I'm going to walk you through the steps on what I did to fix my issue, and hopefully it also helps you with whatever issue you might be having. So the first thing that we're going to do is on the homepage of our Roku TV is we're going to go to settings, and then we're going to go over and down to remotes and devices. And then we're going to go over and down to wireless headphones. I can see that I currently have my Vizio soundbar paired over Bluetooth, but it's not working. So if this is the case where you have Bluetooth speakers or headphones paired, but they're not connecting, to fix this, we're going to reset this connection. Now, if you don't already have them paired, then you can skip over this step. But just quickly to show you how to do this, we're going to go over and down to forget these headphones. Click OK on that. And then again, click OK on forget headphones. Now the next step is we're going to reset our Roku TV. So you can either unplug it from its power source, wait around a half a minute and then plug it back in, or from the menu we can go over to settings and then over and down to where it says system, and then we're going to go over and down until we get to power, and then again we're going to go over and then down to system restart. Click OK on that and then click OK on restart. Now, after your Roku system has restarted, what we want to do at this point is make sure that whatever device that you want to pair over Bluetooth is turned on and in pairing mode. So right now I have my soundbar in Bluetooth pairing mode. You can do this either with your speakers or your headphones, but again, just make sure they're powered on and in pairing mode. Then what we want to do is go down to settings and then go over and down to remotes and devices. And then we're going to go over and down to wireless headphones. Over to add new wireless headphones, click OK on that. And it's going to be searching for either your Bluetooth speakers or your Bluetooth headphones. And again, making sure that it is in pairing mode so that it is able to find them. And after it goes through its search, I can see that there is my Vizio soundbar. So I'm going to click OK on that. And then it has connected up. It says I'm done, and my Bluetooth soundbar is no longer in pairing mode because it has successfully connected up with my Roku TV. And then at this point, it should hook up properly and be connected and ready to go. So I hope this video is helpful. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.